Here's one thing anyone with oily skin will tell you. It's hard to find a cleanser that works. Oily skin requires attention like a full-time job. That constantly greasy, shiny look is definitely not flattering, and can even have an effect on some people's self-esteem. The good news is, there are some good oil-fighting cleansers out there, and they're not super expensive. In this video, we're giving you a roundup of 5 best cleansers for oily skin under $30. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Let's begin. Number 5. Bioderma Sebium Cleanser, $14. The first on our list of 5 best cleansers for oily skin is the Bioderma Sebium Cleanser. This purifying gel is great for oily and combination skin types, acne-prone skin, large pores, or persistent blackheads. The Bioderma Sebium Cleanser uses sodium cocoamphoacetate and sodium laureth sulfate, gentle surfactants to strip away the oil from the skin. Then, the sugars in the cleanser, like mannitol, xylitol, and rhamnose, absorb moisture from the air and bind it to the skin so that it remains hydrated when the excess oil is being stripped. And finally, the zinc sulfate and copper sulfate, the mild soap-free formulas, mattify the top layer of the epidermis and help it maintain its pH levels. The cleanser does all of this without drying out the skin and while keeping the pores from getting clogged. The Bioderma cleanser also contains antioxidants to maintain the natural radiance of the skin, and laminera and vitamin E to heal and moisturize it. Plus, it's paraben-free and hypoallergenic, and that's really important for sensitive skin. Under $30, the Bioderma Sebum Cleanser offers hydrating and healing properties for acne-prone and oily skin. Number 4. Cetaphil Cleanser, $9.5. Next on our list is the Cetaphil Oily Skin Cleanser. This cleanser uses micropearl technology to absorb the oil from the upper layers of the skin and helps in reducing that shiny look characteristic of oily skin types. It also comes with UV protection of a broad spectrum. That is to say, it guards against UVA and UVB rays. The Cetaphil moisturizer is light and gentle. It's soap-free, paraben-free, and doesn't have products that causes allergies or clog pores. It keeps the skin hydrated and pores unplugged while doing its job. This means that you can use it at least twice a day without irritating your skin, and it's clinically proven to show results within only 14 days. It does have that characteristic medicinal smell, but it doesn't stay for long after you apply it. The Cetaphil Oil Skin Cleanser is great for oily or combination skin types or sensitive, acne-prone skin under $30. Number 3. Neutrogena Cleanser, $8.49. The third on our list of cleansers is the Neutrogena Cleanser. This is a lightweight, grease-free cleanser that is particularly great for oily skin that is prone to acne. The Neutrogena Cleanser contains low amounts of benzoyl peroxide, or salicylic acid, a chemical that softly exfoliates the skin to get rid of excess dirt and oil. This is important for acne-prone skin, because acne is essentially dead skin sticking to the sebum in the open pores. Salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide help reduce the oil that builds up during the day without being too harsh on the skin. While the Neutrogena cleanser is made for oily and acne-prone skin, its lightweight formula means that it is easily tolerated by all skin types. Plus, Neutrogena is easily accessible too. You can get it in just about any drugstore shop. Number 2. CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser for normal to oily skin, $15. Next item on our list is the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser, or Face Wash. A gentle, foaming wash that removes all impurities while retaining the skin moisture that suits all skin types, including oily one. The CeraVe's Foaming Facial Cleanser is essentially a combination of 3 different ceramides: hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and sodium lauryl lactolates. The hyaluronic acid provides to the cleanser its moisture retention quality. The niacinamides give it the skin-soothing ability, and the sodium lauryl lactolates provides the foamy consistency, which enables the impurities to detach from skin easily. Altogether, these ceramides add to the healing and repairing layers to the epidermis to make it resistant to future damage. CeraVe Cleanser is also oil-free and non-comedogenic, i.e., it does not clog pores. Plus, despite its ingredients, it doesn't have that medicinal smell that puts many people off. It's important to remember that foaming products generally leave the skin feeling a little bit dry, despite the fact that they're much better at removing dirt, oil, and makeup than their creamy counterparts. However, CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser manages to retain some level of moisture because of the niacinamide and hyaluronic acid in the solution. The CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser is suitable for all skin types, from normal and oily to acne-prone skin. Number 1. Burt's Bees Soap Bark and Chamomile Deep Cleansing Cream, $8. The final product on our list of cleansers for oily skin is the Burt's Bees Soap Bark and Chamomile Cleanser. This is great for people who prefer using completely natural products. Burt's Bees uses chamomile, soap bark, aloe vera, and sunflower seed oil to clean out clogged pores and exfoliate the skin. It is paraben-free, phthalate-free, petrolatum-free, and SLS-free. The chamomile, aloe vera, and a dash of menthol have healing properties, soften the skin, and leave it feeling fresh for a long time after usage. Chamomile and aloe vera in particular have both been used for centuries for their anti-inflammatory effects and healing properties. The soap bark removes the dirt, oil, and makeup. Plus, soap bark's main component, quelagic acid, accelerates wound healing and inhibits inflammation as well. The sunflower seed oil and coconut oil, which are listed as the main ingredient, also have healing qualities that prevent infections, protect the skin from future harm, and retain its natural moisture. Burt's Bees Cleanser is great if you're looking for all-natural, chemical-free products for oily skin that's prone to breakouts. That's a wrap for 5 best cleansers for oily skin under $30. Which one of these have worked best with your skin? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.